Marital rape and your options. In 2009, a survey was conducted in Singapore, pertaining with sexual violence against women. It reported 71.70% Singaporean women went through this domestic sexual violence, and they would not, or cannot, make a police report. Regardless of the fact that the law gives protection to the women or not, this is a serious problem. Also known as marriage rape or spousal rape, a marital rape is referred to non-consensual sex attempted by one spouse on another. This infographic shows common methods of physical sexual violence on women. Singapore Penal Code gave immunity to husbands, assuming that married women cannot say no if their husband intended to have sex. But there is no denying that such attempts are the form of rape, sexual abuse and domestic violence. Why husbands are immunized to commit such violence? Following major factors are preventing to criminalize forced sex by husbands, and consider it as marital rape. Traditional viewpoint, any attempt, or a number of attempts, of sex by husband are allowed because they have the right to start a family. Religious institutions also give husbands a right to demand sex, even if their wives aren't mentally ready. In past, there has been a blanket ban, or marital rape exception against women crying rape. However, recently, there have been some positive changes, and your family lawyer can save you from such violence. Recent changes in family law. Singapore law protects women against domestic sexual abuse, under Penal Code 375. A man can be charged of raping his own wife under the following conditions. Husband and wife are living separately due to interim judgment of divorce, decree or judgment granting judicial separation, separation agreement, commencement of proceedings for nullity, judicial separation or divorce. Moreover, spouses may be living separately because of the commencement of proceedings for separation or divorce. They are yet to be terminated or concluded. Court injunction. The court may have restrained the husband to have sex with his wife, through injunction. Personal protection order. An expedited order or personal protection order has been enforced for the benefit of woman who has requested protection against marital rape. Proceedings for protection or expedited order have been commenced and are yet to be concluded or terminated. Apart from these implementations and circumstances, marital rape exception to offend the rape is still applicable. A man can be charged for forced sex with his wife on account of voluntary causing hurt or less significant offenses. Although lesser charges indicate less severe penalties, they give partial protection to females. The only way to protect yourself is by means of discussion and consultation. You may want to join a support group, or need to report an issue over the phone on an immediate basis in order to stop this violence. You will always have an option to get personal or expedited protection order from the court. If you have been facing sexual abuse, immediately contact a professional divorce attorney to figure out the plan of action. Divorce Lawyer Singapore offers consultation and legal representation at fairly reasonable divorce fees.